Hi Apple, this is Sky Laboratories with the new app, and here's the video you requested for proof. This is an Android device, looks like it is. This is an Android device running our app. And this is the electronics. This is the electronics which goes into the airplane with all the sensors and all the power supply and things like that, and with the manifold pressure and the air pressure and all the engine parameters, and that's the Wi-Fi connection to your iPad. And this is the unit which is simulating the engine parameters like oil pressure, fuel pressure, food temperature, and so on and so on. Exhaust gas temperatures on the cylinders, cylinder head temperatures on all cylinders, fuel flow, capacity fuel indication, and all the engine RPM and all the others, which is important for engine. And here we go. This is the device which goes into the airplane, and this is how it gets there. Now what I will do is I'll grab a screwdriver. Okay, I'm going to adjust the EGT1 and the CHT1. There I go. I take EGT1, go back, it's changing. Okay, I go to adjust the CHT. Here we go. I adjust the oil temperature. Oil temperature. Here we go. And obviously this is the unit which goes into the airplane and gives all the compass and horizon attitude indication and so on. So here we go.